Hello guys. Try ko lang mag-vlog.
First
in the
you said
first
that
time.
Posey for Yumi. I tried to make vlog. I have one.
Ay, hindi. Sabihin ko na talaga sa inyo yung totoo.
I have one of the
Ito kami
No.
sa Macau kung ano
Like
na
this?
ano yung life namin dito sa Macau pag
No,
di,
like
wala
this.
kaming work.
Gago, listen to me.
Listen to me daw, sabi niya. Ayan siya, guys. Alam
No.
niyo guys,
Listen.
sabihin ko sa inyo yung totoo.
I have one of the
Ayan,
pangit
tinan mo.
man in my life. Like this.
He asking to me.
No,
Sabi niya sa akin. Pinapaliwanag niya sa akin.
you make
Easy.
not this one.
Not this
No
one
good
daw.
na.
No good daw. In the people in the Philippines, if you married Indian man, they making bash. So I make bash for you.
Gago.
Yeah. So you're not hurt, right? Because so many bash are telling, if you marry this one, baho this one. They are making advance to them now. So no heart, right? Because you also telling to me baho. We are same baho. We are baho family, guys. Very big family. So,
Bobo eh.
this vlog is personal and vlog, you know. Because always telling to me, my husband, I'm baho. How about my husband? If I'm baho, he's baho. We are family baho. Hindi lang, good vibes lang tayo, guys. Ganito kami maglambingan. I said, we are loving. When we have no work. Like that, guys. Alam nyo guys, totoo lang. Sweet talaga yung mga Indian. Pero, yung pagka-sweet nila, may pagka-ing-ing talaga. You see? Tingnan mo naman, guys. Oh, you make Tagalog to them. He said, magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Oh, you see, guys? Magandang gabi daw, guys. Narinig niyo yon? Oh, I give to you this one, your mic. Maybe
For
cannot
what?
heard you.
For what?
Because they said no scripted. This is no scripted, guys. Wala kami scripted. Unang vlog namin to, guys. Ang tagal na namin nagsasama, pero ito yung una namin vlog.
But I will tell.
I don't know to you. You tell Tagalog.
Tagalog, but...
I'm baho. Ako, babaho. You said.
No ah. Oh, go. You ah. Wow.
No, I'm very clean person. You're clean. Ang ganda ng tit niya, you see? Paano pogi?
Ako, pogi.
Ako pogi daw siya, oh. Paano pogi?
Ako, pogi ah.
Try and support to our first vlog. This is random vlog.
But,
What you called random vlog?
I don't know.
But this first vlog.
This one our first vlog. Then, what? I don't know what to say.
You see?
Good night, guys.
Yeah, matutulog na kami, guys. Ito yung night namin pag matutulog na kami, nag-aasaran kami. Asaran. Pero talaga, totoo yung sinasabi ko, guys. Kasi alam ko maraming, basher. So, inuunahan ko na yung basher. Right? So, I love you, basher. Please subscribe to us, our channel. Our first vlog. We are here in Macau. Right, Tani?
Yes.
Yes, we are working here in Macau. When we finish our work, this on our routine. And tomorrow, we try to make a second vlog, which what the first morning we doing. So, guys, please subscribe and comment below and follow us. Thank you.